20 minutes later. One hour later. 2 hours later.
I'm gonna find you.
3 hours later.
That's what you get when you mess with Abdullah Hamid. Hell yeah!
One eternity later.
What year is it? Oh, what's up, guys? So I don't know what I've been doing for the past 5 hours just playing Fortnite. I thought to myself, since the snow outside is beautiful, since it's perfect for filming, how about we get the camera outside and get some vlogs going? Because it's been a long time since I did one of those vlogs that just consist of me chilling in my hometown. So how about we do that and go! Now, we're only missing a good old pair of boots.
The jump you're about to see have been done by a trained professional. Jumps like these could break your legs and cause serious damage. Do not attempt anything you see in the video. So basically, don't do what I do. Viewer discretion is advised.
I believe I can fly.
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Whoa! Alright, guys. Got a little bit of snow on me. So right now, how about we go around the snow and give you guys a glimpse of how it is in the winter of Vancouver, BC. I sound like a reporter on the news. And give you guys a glimpse of how it is in the winter of Vancouver, BC. Without further ado, roll to the next clip. Usually, if I'm filming those shots in a rainy weather or a clear weather, you would see absolutely nothing. But since there is snow, it reflects back and lets you see all the beauty of the night. I can give you guys a glimpse of how it is to drive in the snowy weather of Vancouver, BC. And I sound like a reporter again. Not sure what's happening. There's a lot of bunnies around my house. And if you think I'm just joking, I'm gonna show you how many. If you think about it, if I can't really film any shots, all I need to do is just get a bunny and get her running around, and that's it. Cuteness overload. Cuteness overload. Not gonna lie, people, at this particular moment I have no idea what I'm gonna do in the vlog. So I thought to myself, how about we get out my car and how about we dash through the snow and show you guys how it is driving in the snow in Vancouver, BC. Vancouver, BC. Welcome to the news. Right now, we're outside in the very snowy weather of Vancouver, BC, Canada. Not gonna lie, the weather is very cold and the visibility is very low. And as you guys can see right now, when we're walking, what is up, guys, and we're back. So as I was driving, I thought to myself, why don't I stop by here and show you guys the beauty of the snow. So how about we go back to the car and get more views of the snow while driving. So until then, back on the road. It's really cold. I'm freezing. I know. That's brutal. Oh my god. I was literally clean and I just made myself messy. So the skate park is usually made for tricks, but in this snowy weather, it should be for sliding. So how about we try that and let's go back to the car and go to the skate park. Pew. Back 10 years ago, YouTube was made for things like these. It was pretty much a personal platform where you would share just simple videos that people do in their daily lives. So for example, today in my daily life, I'm right now here in Vancouver, BC, Canada, you know what I mean? We got a lot of snow, in case you guys can see, just loads and loads of snow. Yeah, this is very steep. Yeah, I'm not gonna go in there. Hell no. It's hell to the no, to the no, no, no.
Hell to the no, to the no, 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 no. Hell no, no.
Alright guys, so I thought about it. We're gonna do some longboard shots. So, since I can't be doing longboard shots in this snow, so one of the things we can do in the snow is form snowballs and just toss them at my car. One of the other things that you can do in the snow is make snow angels on the ground. How about we zip it? We can do a lot. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you didn't really think I was gonna say the 8 and continue on with the song, right? Yeah, we don't do that here, okay? What is up guys, and we're back. So right now I'm with two of my buddies. One of them you've never seen before and one you've seen a lot. So the first person is of course Mickey. You guys have seen the vlogs before.
How's it going?
And the second person is Safe.
What's up, guys?
So right now it's snowing outside. We want to do some crazy stuff, you know what I mean? So I'll see you guys in the next clip and we'll see what the day has in store for us. Even though it's 11:30 p.m., which means the day is pretty much over, but we'll see what the day has in store for us. So this guy's gonna go right now outside in the snow, in the cold weather, like this. Doing it pretty much Canadian style, if you know what I mean. Right, Mickey?
Hey.
Have a good day, Safe.
Yeah, I will.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and we're back. So hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic shots and the shots that we were filming along with the car, moving through the snow, dashing through the snow. In case you guys didn't know, I always called my car the Black Panther, right or wrong?
True.
Before the thing was a thing.
That's true.
Before even the movie came out and everyone was going hype over it. So I want to say, of course, like a special thanks to Mickey over here for filming those shots that you guys saw, especially the ones in the dark where the car is just going through the snow. And yeah, in that clip, roll it. Yeah, that snow got on his head, but you're good, right?
Yeah, it's all good.
No worries.
All right, right now, guys, we're gonna be driving around. Do you enjoy filming those those videos?
Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's just something to do, right? It's just a hobby.
So tell the people, why do you enjoy doing videography in general, like filming and holding the camera?
Just
they can
capturing the moment, you know? Life's all about capturing the moment. Because a video explains better than your memory does. It's more clear.
That is one of the reasons why I like doing vlogs. We can look back at this like a year from now, 2 years from now. A lot of things has happened, you know what I mean? We will be in different places, we will be doing different things. So to look back at like a moment like this where we're just like chilling out, you know, on a late night, you know, and just reflect, you know what I mean?
Just relaxing, just enjoying the weather. Beautiful. I always wondered how it would feel to be famous on YouTube, you know? Abdullah Hamid.
I am not famous yet. At this moment that I'm speaking, I have 2,400 views in general.
We have 2,400?
Yeah. But that's the overall like channel views,
That's
not
good.
even like videos.
It's a good start. We out here. Abdullah Hamid is out here, man, on YouTube. Coming near you. You better get
Alright,
ready.
guys. So right now Mickey's gonna go. So peace out, bro.
Peace. Until then, on to the next one.
That is it for today. If you enjoy the short vlogs of me just chilling around, you mind leaving a like. And if you want to see videos of everything that you could imagine, vlogs, everything, you mind subscribing. And of course, I said it before, I'll say it again. If you want to be notified on a secondly basis wherever you are in the world, make sure to ring the notification bell. And as always, you know what to do with Abdullah Hamid. Stay awesome and peace. Yeah.